Yeah, it's reflection time. Yeah, if I control reflection time, I would want a 2018 recap and a projection of where this channel's headed. Is this what you wanted? Probably not, but it's 2019, baby. That's right, you are watching the first ever Tech Audit TV episode of 2019. Now, before we talk about 2019, let's take a moment and quickly recap 2018. 2018 was an interesting year for this channel. I boldly opened up 2018 with this goal. My goal is to make sure that every week, at least once a week, every Sunday, 10 a.m. Eastern, there is a video uploaded for you folks. So yeah, that didn't happen, obviously. I made it exactly 2 weeks uploading once a week. Proud of myself. And missed a week, and then I uploaded again, and then it was kind of like every 2 weeks. Basically, I was fairly consistent, not to my goal, but fairly consistent until this video came out. This video was about Gmail and the new design and the new layout that they were introducing. Now, nothing special about that video itself with the content, but the timing of when that video published is important. Now that video was published on April 13th, and after that video was published, this channel didn't see another video until the middle of October. So what the heck happened? Long story short, I didn't realize how badly having a second kid would kick my butt. Funny story, that video was published on April 13th. My second kid was born on April 12th. The audio for that episode was recorded on April 12th. And right when I finished recording it, maybe 2 minutes later, my wife in the other room goes into labor. So we rush to the hospital, we deliver the baby, and then the next day I had all the files and everything. Fortunately, the audio was already recorded, and I assembled it all in the hospital, uploaded it to YouTube for you over that crappy hospital Wi-Fi. And yeah, since then, it was impossible to get a video out. Now, despite me dropping the ball in 2018, the good news is that you, the community, showed up in big numbers to support this channel. In 2018, despite me only uploading 9 videos throughout the entire year, this channel still saw an additional 1.6 million views across the videos. And on top of that, we, as a Tech Audit TV community, added an additional 6,000 subscribers to our subscriber base, giving us over 32,000 subscribers at this point. That's awesome. And can we do better? Absolutely, and absolutely we will. Let's talk about 2019 and what you can expect from me. I've got 2 goals for this channel that are very clear and very simple. Goal number 1 is to grow this channel to over 75,000 subscribers. That's a huge number. That's more than double what the channel is currently at. How are we going to do that? That's where goal number 2 comes in. Goal number 2 is upload at least 52 videos in 2019. Now, how many weeks are in a year? 52. 52 weeks are in a year. Notice that I didn't say I'm going to upload a video a week in 2019. The reason is now, if I do happen to miss a week, I don't have that excuse of, well, I failed at my goal, so now it's not as important for me to keep uploading. And then we'll just have a repeat of 2018, which I don't want to have happen. So this means if I do, for whatever reason, miss a week, that just means another week, you're gonna be blessed with 2 videos instead of 1. Now, a lot of experimentation is gonna continue to go into these videos. You're gonna see a difference video to video on how I film and edit things. You're also gonna see a difference in the type of content. Some videos will be reviews, some will be comparisons, interviews, investigations, parodies, all sorts of entertainment and informative content. Now, this allows me to keep the creative juices flowing, but it also allows me to see what content works and what content doesn't work. Or in other words, what content you want and what content you don't want. If I see that certain content does really well, I'm gonna start making more of that because clearly that is what you want. Me help you. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, you're either a longtime fan of the channel, which is awesome, or maybe you're new here and you're listening to this and you're thinking, this sounds pretty cool, I'm interested. Or maybe you're stoned out of your mind and you are just too lazy to find another video to watch. Either way, I want to engage with you. I want to spend a lot more time talking with you in 2019. So with that in mind, there are 3 things that I want you to do right now that I feel will make your Tech Audit TV YouTube experience that much better. Number 1, I am doing a Q&A video that'll be dropping later this month. If you want your question answered on the show, all you gotta do is scroll down in the comment section, leave your question. I will go through every single comment and I will find all of the questions and I will answer them, whether it's about me, whether it's about the channel, whether it's about tech, anything goes. You ask it, I'll answer it. Just leave it down in the comment section. You can leave 1 question, you can leave 500 questions. I will literally answer them all. That might be a bad idea, but we'll go with it. 2, I am pumping out some awesome content on Instagram. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do so. Open up your Instagram app, search @TechAuditTV, and you will find me, or you can just go down to the description on this video and there's a link that'll go straight to the Instagram account from there. And last but not least, number 3, I have recently launched a Discord group. If you're not on Discord, you've got to join. It's free, it's easy to use. If you're at all familiar with Slack, it operates very similar to that, but Discord was created for gamers, it was created for communities. Even if you're not a gamer, you'll still have a blast here. So it takes seconds to join. I've posted the link in the description of this video. You can click on that and you'll be right in there chatting with us. It's a group for those who love the channel and more importantly, those who love tech. So I am pumped for 2019. Like, I'm being dead serious. I'm not just saying this for the video. I'm very much excited. I normally don't get into the New Year stuff and I still am not into like the ball dropping and counting down. But I am very serious about making this next year my year, right? I've got a lot of personal goals, a lot of business goals, and I definitely got some hefty goals for this channel, and I have every intention of making sure that each and every one of them get completed this year. And I am super grateful for each and every one of you who in the past have hit that subscribe button. I feel like I've dropped the ball a little bit in 2018, but the fact that you hit that button sends me the message that you were willing to take a chance on me. Give me a chance to entertain you, to inform you, to make your day a little bit better, and that is definitely my goal with 2019's content. And if you are already subscribed, be sure to hit that bell icon because YouTube has this awesome thing where they notify like nobody whenever a Tech Audit TV video goes live because who knows, it's YouTube. So you gotta hit that bell icon, otherwise you don't get notified, and you wanna have those notifications on because I might be giving away some free tech pretty darn soon. So if you like free tech, who doesn't, definitely hit that bell notification icon. That way you'll get notified when this video goes live very, very soon. So that is it for today's episode. And once again, super grateful for all the support. Until next time, wishing you an awesome 2019. My name is Brandon Hassler, and this is Tech Audit TV.